What's up, my mobile detailing people? I know y'all hear all the noise in the background. We here at the shop getting it in order right now. We got a day off, so we're getting everything structured. But anyways, you guys, I want to show you guys the update on the shop, man. I'm excited. I haven't officially been open, but the grand opening is July 9th, 8 a.m. in the morning. Wherever you're at, come through, fly out, get on your boat and come out. I don't know how you're going to get here, but get here, you guys. Let me show y'all what the shop is looking like.
Hey, give me the address.
Oh, the address is 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California, 95660. Come through, you guys. And also, hey, we've been having people come through. We've been selling out, and we ain't even officially been open. So I can imagine after this grand opening. Check it out, y'all. All right. Welcome to the Hunter's Detailing and Supply Store. As you guys can see, we already sold out over here. We got PNS. It's PNS everything over here. Check it out. So what's sold out already is the Express interior. This is my favorite right here. The 1 gallons is gone. Brake Busters is up next. All the pints, they in there gone. Carpet bomber down here, your carpet cleaner, almost gone. Bead maker, all the pints is they in there gone. They're not messing with the gallons on that, but once the grand opening hit, that's gonna be gone.
All right, Wayne. Well, this is your first detailing supply shop.
Yes, sir.
What's one thing you've learned through this process?
One thing I've learned.
Or one thing that you didn't expect that you had to deal with?
Sheesh, Reyes, to be honest, I haven't really ran into any problems. The only thing is people coming in asking for certain stuff I don't have and not knowing something. You know what I mean? I'm a straight up person. They be like, hey, Wayne, what's this used for and how could... Hey, brother, I haven't used it yet. You know what I mean? I got a lot of stuff in here that I'm just buying 1 week at a time, trying it out so I could build my knowledge up. So just getting my knowledge up with certain chemicals. That's what I would say.
Got it. All right, man. So we have PNS over here.
Yep, PNS. Check it out. Bug off, iron, paint prep, dream maker. We got the Shine All, Pearl Auto shampoo, leather treatment. We got a little bit of everything. And each month or each couple months, we're tapping in with different things and just building it slowly and paying attention to what people want when they come in and writing that down. Like, hey, what would you like to see in the store? Oh, you don't have this with PNS. Bam, order it. Next up, we got Gian over here.
Wait, what was the last thing somebody requested that you didn't have?
It was a extractor. It goes in with your heated extractor or any extractor so that it could pull up all the chemicals that you sprayed in the seats and the carpet. I didn't have that, but you pour it in your extractor. And a lot of the times we spray a lot of chemicals, but we don't clean them all up. And let's say you were to wet somebody's floors, all that shampoo stuff that was in the carpets, it'll reactivate. And they'd be like, man, what is all this white stuff? So we got to make sure we clean that up. You know what I mean? So that right there was the last thing that I remember. Yes, sir. Then next up, we got Gian. Shout out to Gian, you guys. This is the product. I'm the only one out here with this. You know what I mean? Come on. So if you guys are looking to get your hands on some Gian products, hey, 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California, come through. We got everything from wheel cleaners to, what's this? We got tire shine right here, tire protectant. We got the iron. We got the all-purpose cleaner. What else we got? Check it out. We got Preserve. This is gonna be your exterior plastic shine. We got the leather cleaner, interior detailer. We got ceramic detailer. We got the clay lube, wet coat. This one is really popular, as you can see. It's staying there almost gone. We're gonna have to get the bigger ones of these. So the things that's been selling out the most with Gian is the wet coat. What else? Let's see. The water spot remover, that's been selling the most. But as of right now, people are still, getting to know this product right here. So I'm gonna advertise them a little bit more. But this is, I already know this is gonna be hot, man. Oh, they really love the ceramic coatings with Gian. They're real dope, really easy to apply. And the leather shield. So leather shield's almost gone. I'm guilty, I've been using that. That's been a good upsell right there. I think I bought about 3 of my own. So if you're looking for a good upsell, you detailers out there, that's dope. We got the can coat. I still have to try a lot of this new stuff right here.
All right, Wayne, so you're actually selling items, but who have you noticed is your main customers? Brand new people who want to get started, beginners or people who already have a whole bunch of years in the game?
Shout out to all the detailers out there that support me. Everybody that's watching me on YouTube, those are the people that are coming through. I got a lot of love in LA. It's crazy. I got more love in LA than here, but a lot of people that are figuring out that I'm here, they think I live in LA. I don't stay in LA, you guys. Sacramento, California. This is where I'm at, specifically North Highlands. So come through to the shop. I get mostly detailers coming in here that's already been established, already in the game. And the first thing they say when they come in is, hey, I watch your videos. Appreciate the support. A lot of the times I'm not here. A lot of people are expecting me to be here, but soon, you know what I mean? I had a couple people that's not here, so I'm back in the van. Soon I'll be in the shop and I'll be able to meet you guys. Appreciate y'all. Next up, we got P&S right here. So we're gonna get more ceramic coatings in here. This whole glass is gonna be all our ceramic coatings and more of our higher end, more expensive things right here. So let me know what you guys want to see in the store with Gian, with P&S, and what you guys want next up. Coach Kimmy, Shine Supply. Let me know in the comments down below. But next up, we got Max Shine over here. Man, Max Shine got everything. So we got another big shipment coming in with Max Shine with a whole bunch of other accessories. But right now, you see we got our fine brushes right here for the luxury vehicles. You know what I'm saying? We got the little tiny crevice brushes to get in the air vents. Brushes. Then next up, we got my favorite interior shampoo brushes. And then we got more of the higher end microfiber wheel brush kits to get in the wheel wells. Carpet cleaners, tire brushes, more rims. We got the polishing. We're gonna expand the whole polishing paint correction section. This right here is gonna be switched to a whole paint correction section right here. But as I've been buying stuff, the way I visioned it, this is totally different. So if you guys got any ideas about reconstructing this whole store, we're gonna be moving stuff around, get more shelving and stuff, bro. We're gonna stuff this whole place in here as much as we can until we outgrow it. That's the goal. But pet hair brushes, we got the big, you know, if you get you an RV or something, it's right here. We got that right here for you. What else we got? Foam cannons, pump sprayers. We got the polishing bags. Come get your polishing bags for all the paint correction guys, right there. And I still got to put this together. This right here is going to be your little, you know what I mean? I don't know what you call it, but a little display thing. We got some polishers, one steps, compounds, all right here. P&S, I still have to try those. If you tried it before, drop it down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. Next up, this is our towel section. What I visioned was all my towels to be stacked here. This was gonna be all towels, but then Max Shine had to step their game up and, you know what I mean, put the stuff in this nice, beautiful bag here. So I was just like, hey, I might as well hang everything up. From microfiber wash pads, variety, all right here. All the towels down there sold out. These towels is dope. They got all different colors, check it out. Pretty dope. So all the towels right here. So I reordered whole bunch of more towels, whole bunch of more accessories. It's all coming in. It should be here probably tomorrow. And got my microfiber towels right here. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna put some neon lights everywhere. We're gonna light the whole thing up. And what's next? We're gonna get ultra clean in here. And clean tech, man, where y'all at, man? I sent you guys a message. Make sure you guys get back to me. There's a lot of people asking about your products. You know what I mean? Check this section out right here. This could be y'all section. We also gonna tap into ultra clean. We're gonna get them in here, and then we're gonna squeeze one more in here, Coach Kimmy. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Those are gonna be the 3 more products that we're gonna put in here. And I wanna be the one-stop shop, you guys. I wanna get the extractors. What I'm gonna do, since I know you guys see there's not a lot of room, so we're gonna have extractors on display, and then we're gonna keep everything else in a different area. So I'll put an extractor, probably put one right here. What else we need? We need vacuums. Put a vacuum up there so you guys can see we got the vacuums. I'm gonna get everything in here, you guys. One-stop shop. And then, shoot, my contract here is 2 years. We've been there already, got a year up. So after the 2 years is up, you guys, we about to get a building just as big as this. So we ain't gonna do nothing but expand. And y'all remember I said that. But other than that, this is the shop, you guys. If you haven't already stopped by, make sure you stop by. And again, 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California, 95660. We are open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So make sure you come through. Grand opening July 9th. Barbecuing. We're gonna have gospel there, gospel music, some preaching here, some praying. We're gonna be selling products. We're gonna be doing raffles. We're gonna be doing a little bit of everything, man. We're gonna make sure we have some water out here, some canopies, keep y'all cool, some tables. It's gonna be live, you guys. So come through. All right, I appreciate you guys coming through to the shop. I hope to see you guys here physically and get here to meet you, take some pictures, and get you guys going on your business. And I can't wait to meet y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Every video we have, man, it's gonna be growth. It's only up from here. All glory to God. Let's get it.